dancers, we can overcomplicate moves when we don't need to. This one today is one of these moves. Hi Shimmy Shakers, and welcome back to Belly Dancer Diaries. If you are new, please make sure you check out my channel. I have lots of tutorials about belly dancing as well as discussions, and make sure to subscribe so you can be notified of when new videos are released, and always hit that thumbs up button if you like this video if you enjoy it. So the move we're doing today is a big hip circle with a lean. I was teaching this in my class just the other day, and a lot of my students found it very difficult, not because it's a difficult move, but because in their minds it was a lot more complicated than what it actually was. So this is a really beautiful one. It's quite big. I use it a lot, especially in slow choreographies or in transitions. When I'm moving around the room, if I have big space, it's beautiful as it works dynamics coming down and up as well. So the move today is this. So as you can see, really beautiful. So what are we doing? Firstly, we're making a big circle with our hips. So it's like our normal hip circle, bringing our hips around, but to make it bigger, all we're doing is stepping our feet out a little wider. So in the hips, this is all that's happening. It's just a circle going around, keeping it nice and big. Then we're adding the body into it. Now, with my body, all I'm doing is leaning forward and leaning back. So a lot of my students found this difficult because they felt they had to bring their body all the way around, which is a really nice move as well. But in this one, if you want something a little bit more simple, you don't have to do that. All we're doing is leaning forward and back. So as I bring my hips forward, I'm leaning my body back, and then as I bring my hips back, I'm leaning my body forward. So that helps to elongate the circle, even though all I'm doing is bring my body forward and back. So from the side, you can see, as my hips come forward, I'm leaning back. As my hips come back, I'm leaning forward. So all my body is doing is coming forward and back, forward and back, like I was saying in class, one of these, those drinking birds that goes down and up. That's what it feels like. So again, watching from the side, coming forward, leaning back. Always your body going in the opposite way to your hips. So if your hips are forward, your body's back. If your hips are back, your body's forward. Another nice thing to add in is the arms. So again, your arms are crossing over as you come back, and then opening as you come in front. So with the hips though, so crossing as you bring the hips back, opening as you bring the hips in front. So open, close, very simple, but when you bring it all together, it looks really beautiful. So let's put it all together now. Back and forwards with the hips, back and forwards with the hips, back and forwards, close and open with the arms, close and open with the arms, close and open, down with the body, up with the body, down with the body, up with the body. Anyway, I hope you like this move, and I hope this video helps you if this is one that you found a little bit confusing. As I said, it's a lot simpler than people think it is, but it's a really beautiful one to do. I know I use it all the time. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.